is for angelfish. Ah, ah. Angelfish sparkles in the sea, swimming happily with me. B is for blue whale. Ba 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 ba. Blue whale splashes big and high underneath the ocean sky. C is for crab. Ka 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 ka. Crab walks sideways on the sand, waving claws across the land. D is for dolphin. Da 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 da. Dolphin jumps above the waves. Ocean fun is what it craves. E is for eel. Eel wiggles through the water blue, dancing all the day right through. F is for fish. Fa 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 fa. Fish swims gently in the reef, playing hide and seek beneath. G is for grouper. Ga 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 ga. Grouper glides among the rocks, swimming near the coral blocks. H is for hammerhead shark. Hammerhead swims far and wide, searching through the ocean tide. I is for marine iguana. Marine iguana loves the shore, sunbathing by the ocean floor. J is for jellyfish. Ja 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 ja. Jellyfish drifts nice and slow where the ocean currents flow. K is for killer whale. Ka 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 ka. Killer whale races through the sea, fast and strong as can be. L is for lobster. La 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 la. Lobster waves its giant claws, making friends without a pause. M is for manatee. Ma 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 ma. Manatee floats calm and free, gentle giant of the sea. N is for narwhal. Na 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 na. Narwhal swims through waters cold, with a tusk so brave and bold. O is for octopus. Octopus changes colors bright, a magical ocean sight. P is for penguin. Pa 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 pa. Penguin dives and swims around, splashing through the water sound. Q is for queen. Angelfish. Qua 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 qua. Queen angelfish shines like a gem. Ocean friends all admire them. R is for ray. Ra 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 ra. Ray glides softly through the sea, smooth and graceful as can be. S is for seahorse. Sa 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 sa. Seahorse curls its tiny tail, riding gently without fail. T is for turtle. Ta 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 ta. Turtle swims both far and near, bringing ocean friends good cheer. U is for urchin. Urchin has spikes all around, resting quietly on the ground. V is for vampire squid. Va 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 va. Vampire squid strong and nice. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish is clear to see, swimming happily and free. Y is for yellow tang. Yellow tang darts here and there, bright yellow colors everywhere. Z is for zebra shark. Zebra shark swims smooth and slow through the ocean down below.